Negotiating plea deals versus going to trial, weighing your options. Facing criminal charges can be overwhelming, and deciding between accepting a plea deal or proceeding to trial is a pivotal choice. Each path has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Let's break down some of these options to help you make an informed decision. A plea deal or a plea bargain is an agreement where you plead guilty to a charge in exchange for certain concessions from the prosecutor. These concessions might include reduced charges, a lighter sentence, or the dismissal of additional charges. This process avoids the need for a trial and leads directly to sentencing and guarantees you a specific resolution to the case. Prosecutors often offer pleas to lessen the severity of charges or recommend lighter sentences in exchange for a guilty plea. For instance, a felony charge might be reduced to a misdemeanor, resulting in less severe penalties. There's also certainty and predictability. Trials can be unpredictable. It's the highest risk, highest reward option. Accepting a plea deal provides a clear outcome, allowing you to know your sentence and plan accordingly. It's also a quicker resolution. Trials can be lengthy, often taking days or even weeks. A plea deal expedites the process, allowing you to move forward with your life even sooner. Reduce legal costs. Shortening the legal process can lead potentially to lower attorney's fees and court costs. So, what are some of the negatives of accepting a plea deal? You're waiving your right to a trial by jury. By accepting a plea deal, you forfeit your constitutional right to a trial by jury. You also get a permanent criminal record if you don't have one already. A guilty plea results in a conviction on your record. If it is a conviction or if it's a deferred, that deferred will remain on your record, which can impact future employment, housing, and other opportunities. There are limited grounds for appeal. Once a plea is entered, appealing the conviction becomes challenging, even if new evidence emerges. Potential innocence. In some cases, individuals may feel pressure to accept a plea deal despite believing in their innocence, especially if the potential trial penalty is severe. So what are the pros of going to trial? Number one, you have a presumption of innocence. At trial, you are presumed innocent unless you are proven guilty, and the burden of proof lies with the prosecution at all times. There's the opportunity for the acquittal. That's the highest reward option. You have the potential that a trial offers you the chance to be found not guilty, resulting in no conviction on your record and the ability to later petition for an expunction. Full examination of evidence. Trials allow for thorough scrutiny of all evidence, which might reveal weaknesses in the prosecution's case that are not otherwise detectable. The right to appeal. If you are convicted at trial, you do retain the right to appeal the decision based on legal errors or new evidence. There are also cons of going to trial. This is the high risk that may be involved. Uncertainty. Trials are unpredictable, and there's a risk of receiving a harsher sentence if you are convicted. It can be time-consuming. The trial process can be lengthy, causing prolonged stress and disruption to your life. Trials often involve significant legal fees and court costs, and trials are public proceedings, which might lead to unwanted attention and potential damage to your reputation. In Houston, plea deals have been utilized in various high-profile cases. For instance, in a significant corruption case involving the Houston Public Works Department, several individuals accepted plea deals, resulting in reduced sentences and expedited resolutions. So, what's involved with making the decision? Choosing between a plea deal and going to trial is a complex decision that depends on the specifics of your case, the strength of the evidence, and your personal circumstances. It's crucial to consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney who can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. If you're facing criminal charges, it's essential to act swiftly. The legal landscape is complex, and having a skilled criminal defense attorney near you can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case.